Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to play YouTube video on your background on your iPhone. So this is one of my favorite videos right over here, and I wanted to play this on my background. So when I'm trying to go over here like this, you can see the video is not being played in the background. I'm getting this error. So what should I do if I'm having this particular error? Let me directly get into the step. So the first one, we have to turn off beep on your iPhone. So to do this, just go over here in the settings. Now from here, navigate to the general. Now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to picture in picture. And make sure the picture in picture automatically is turned it on. So if you just turn it off, turn this on. Now you just need to go back once again and you have to go to the YouTube. Now from here, you have to just tap over here. Now from here, you have to go to the profile icon and then go to this gear icon over here. Now from here, there is an option called playback. Select this one. And right now in the YouTube settings over here, the picture in picture is actually turned off. So you have to turn this on as well. Once you turn this on, you just need to go back, go over here. Now you have to play this particular song which you wanted to, and just go back and you can see the song is being played in the background without an issue. So this is how we can fix this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon next video. Bye.